This is the part 2 of inner join. In the previous video, we have seen how we could connect two or more tables using inner join based on a common column and then retrieve the matching values from the common table. There is another use case of inner join where we could connect the tables without a common column but have some common values. Let me show you what I mean by this. Let's say we have two tables, customers table and employees table. Now the customers table have the customer ID, customer first name and customer last name columns, and employees table has employee ID, employee first name and employee last name, let's say. Now these two tables do not have a common column. There is no primary key or foreign key relationship between these two tables. But these two tables have some common values in one of their columns. Now because inner join returns the matching values between connected tables, we could use this feature of inner join to connect these two tables based on these individual columns and get the desired data. Let's see some practical examples of how we can use this. Show me the customers and employees who have the same last name. So we'll look at the customers table where we have the customer's first name and last name. Employees table we have employee first name and last name. So we want data from customers table C and employees table E. We'll write the query now. Select, we'll concat C dot customer full name, C dot customer last name as customer full name, E dot employee first name space E dot employee last name as employee full name, from customers as C, inner join employees as E on C dot customer last name, because we want the customers and employees who have the same last name, so we are joining it on the last name column of both customers and employees. Employee last name, order by customer full name, comma employee full name. If we run it, we could see the last name Viscas is common in both these employees and customers. Patterson is common in these employees and customers. So that's how we could use inner join to join tables without a common column. Let's look at another example. Show me the customers and employees who live in the same city. So we have the same two tables even now. So we'll concat C dot customer first name space C dot customer last name, customer full name, employee first name space E dot employee last name as employee full name, comma C dot customer city as city, from customers as C, inner join employees as E on C dot customer city is equal to E dot employee city, order by city. We'll run it. We could see the customers, employees who are in the same city. Let's look at the last question for the video. Find all the customers who ordered a bicycle and also ordered a helmet. To solve this, we'll first take the customers table, inner join with the orders, and then products. Then we'll filter by product bicycle. we'll get one set of customers who ordered bicycle. Okay, we'll call this set 1. Now we'll do the same process again of joining customers, orders and products table, and this time we filter by product helmet. Now we got another set of customers who ordered only helmet. Let's call this set 2. Now what we'll do is we'll combine or we'll inner join these two sets of customers who ordered only helmet and only bicycle, and then we inner join them using the customer name. Because inner join gives the common or matching values, we'll get our desired result. We could also solve this problem by using subquery or intersect, but I'll save that for later videos. In this video, we'll talk only on inner join. Select first name, last name. From here starts the actual thing. So instead of a table, we're writing a select statement. Okay, so from select, so we are selecting distinct c dot customer id, c dot customer first name, c dot customer last name, and pre dot product name. From customers as C, inner join orders as O to related using customer ID. We'll open another bracket. We'll inner join this table with order details using order number. We'll inner join this with products as P using the product number. Now we'll apply the filter where product name like percent bike. Now we'll call this whole thing, we'll call this whole select statement, we'll call this table as cust bikes because it contains the customers who ordered bikes. Now this we are inner joining with another table of customers who ordered helmets. So we'll select the same thing again, select distinct c dot customer id, p dot product name. From customers as C, inner join orders as O using customer ID, inner join order details as OD using order number, inner join products as P where P dot product name like helmet. Now this whole table I'm calling this as customer helmets. Now this is one customer helmets table and this is one customer bikes table, and we are inner joining it. But how are we inner joining it? We have to mention on which column should we inner join. So with inner join on cust bikes the first set dot customer ID is equal to cust helmets dot customer ID, because this is the common column between these two tables. And the final columns what we want is cust bikes. We could write customer helmets as well, it doesn't matter. Dot customer first name, cust bikes dot customer last name. We'll also take cust bikes dot product name and cust helmets dot product name. These are not needed, but just for clarity's sake I'm providing them, and we'll run it. Okay, so we got the customer first name, customer last name, and the product name which this customer ordered, and another product which the same customer ordered. So we got the customers who ordered both the product bike and helmet. So that's how we could use inner join to get these intersection values as well. That's all for this video. We'll see more queries in the subsequent videos. Thank you.